In this video, I am gonna show you how to make this. And this menu with hover animation in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now click Effect and add a drop shadow. Now add a fill. Now let's add some icons. Now select all of them and make equal spacing. Now let's make a hover effect for all icons. Select the home button and duplicate it. And change its fill. Now also do the same with other buttons. Select it and make a component set. Now do the same with other and make their component set also. Now let's prototype them. Choose while hovering. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve ease in and out. And duration will be 300 milliseconds. Now do the same with others. Let's check how it looks. It's looking good. Now let's make it clickable. Duplicate the frame. Now change frame name. And change their fill. Let's prototype them. Select all the home button. Do not select the colored home button. And connect with second frame. Choose on tap. Animation will be instant. Now do the same with others. Select all the frame and convert them into component set. Let's check how it looks. It's looking good. Now let's make another interactive menu button. Now select Home button and convert them in Auto Layout. Now convert remaining ones also into Auto Layout. Now duplicate the frame. Let's add some text. Put it in Home button frame. Add a fill. And make radius 17. Now duplicate the frame. And do the same thing. Add a fill. Change its text. And make radius 17. Select all. Convert them in component set. Select all the home button. Do not select the colored home button. And connect with second frame. Choose on tab. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve ease in and out. And duration will be 300 milliseconds. Do the same with others. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.